On the 22nd of August 2024, Justice Kudirat Kekere-Ekun will succeed Ariwola as the CJN. My questions this afternoon are: 1. When will the Igbos become the CJN? 2. What are the sins of the Igbos? 3. Are the Igbos not qualified to be the CJN? And finally, why have the Igbos not become the CJN of Nigeria from 1955 to date? According to some quarters, they said the reasons for the lack of an Igbo Chief Justice of Nigeria from 1955 to date are complex and multifaceted. Some possible factors include: 1. Political and ethnic tensions. Nigeria has experienced a period of political instability, military rule, and ethnic tensions, which may have influenced the selection process for the CJN position. 2. Historical power dynamics. The country's political and judicial structures were established during the colonial era, which may have created imbalance in representation and opportunities for certain ethnic groups. 3. Unconscious bias and discrimination. Unfortunately, discrimination and bias based on ethnicity, religion, or background may have played a role in the selection process. 4. Limited opportunities and representation. The Igbo people may have faced limited access to education, economic opportunities, and political representation, making it more challenging to attain high-ranking positions like the Chief Justice. 5. Systemic and structural barriers. Institutional barriers, such as the way judicial appointments are made, may have hindered the selection of an Igbo Chief Justice. From 1955 to date, Nigeria have had 18 Chief Justices of Nigeria. Among that 18, none of them was or were Igbos. Now let me give you the list of those 18. 1. Honorable Justice Stafford Foster from 1955 to 1958. 2. Honorable Justice Adetokunbo Ademola KBE GCON from 1958 to 1972. He is from Abeokuta in Ogun State. 3. Honorable Justice Teslim Olawale Elias CFR GCON from 1972 to 1975. Elias was born into the traditional aristocracy of Lagos. In 1947, he was called to the bar at the Inner Temple. 4. Honorable Justice Danley Otto Alexander CBE KCMG CFR GCON from 1975 to 1979. Alexander was born in Castres, St. Lucia on 28 January 1920. 5. Honorable Justice Atanda Fatai Williams CON GCON from 1979 to 1983. Williams was born on 22nd October in 1918. 6. Honorable Justice George Sodeinde Sowemimo CON GCON from 1983 to 1985. Sowemimo was born in Zaria on 8 November 1920. He is from Ogun State. 7. Honorable Justice Ayo Gabriel Irikefe OFR CON GCON. He was the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 1985 to 1987. He is the first lawyer from Urobo and he is from Delta State. 8. Honorable Justice Mohammed Bello CON GCON. He was the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 1987 to 1995. He is from Katsina. 9. Honorable Justice Muhammadu Lawal Ways, CON, GCON. He was the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 1995 to 2006. He was born on 12 June 1936 in Zaria, Kaduna State. 10. Honorable Justice Salisu Modibo Alpha Bergole, CON, GCON. He was the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 2006 to 2007. Alpha Bergole was born on 17 January 1937. He is from Ilorin in Kwara State. 11. Honorable Justice Idris Lebo Kutigi, CON, GCON. He was the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 2007 to 2009. He is from Niger State. 12. Honorable Justice Aloysius Kasina Aru, CON, GCON. He was the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 2009 to 2011. He was born on 28 August 1941 in Benue State. 13. Honorable Justice Dahiru Mustafa, CON, GCFR, Finals, GCON. He was the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 2011 to 2012. He is from Jigawa State. 14. Honorable Justice Aloma Miriam Muta, CON, CFR, Finals, GCON. She was the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 2012 to 2014. She is from Adamawa State. 15. Honorable Justice Mahmoud Mohammed, CON, GCON. He was the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 2014 to 2016. He is from Jaringo in Taraba State. 16. Honorable Mr. Justice W.S. Nkanu Onagen, GCON. He was the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 2016 to 2019. He is from Cross River State. 17. Honorable Justice Ibrahim Tanko Mohammed, CFR. He was the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 2019 to 2022. He is from Bauchi State. 18. Honorable Justice Olukayode Ariwola, GCON. He is the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 2022 to date. According to reports, his tenure will be expiring on the 22nd of August 2024, and the report had it that he will be handing over to another Yoruba person. So we ask this afternoon, when will it be the turn of the Igbos? Or are the Igbos not qualified to be the Chief Justice of Nigeria?